Have you ever tried searching for the perfect skybox for your game, only to have them end up looking like this? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn your skybox from this to this, and how you can adjust the position of the moon and sun for improved lighting. First, head over to a website called Polyhaven. A link is provided in the description. Once you're there, go to the HDRIS section. Now scroll down and choose any skybox you like. I'll choose this one as an example. Now go to the pink box labeled EXR and change it to HDR. Choose a resolution you like, then click Download. Now for the second step, go to the HDRI to cubemap section and upload your skybox. After that, adjust the exposure to your preference. Now click Save and wait a few seconds. Make sure the format is set to PNG and that the resolution is very high. Choose the third layout, then click Process. Now save the file. Now go to your File Explorer or desktop, depending on where you save the file. Then, right-click the file and select Extract All. And now you should have all the images required for your skybox setup. The last step is to open Roblox Studio and make sure your game is saved. Go to the View tab, then enable Explore and Properties from the menu. Now go to Lighting in the Explorer, select Sky, and you'll see the properties on the left that you'll need to change. I'll delete the other children in lighting, since they won't fit well with this skybox. I'll add the reference image so you can understand. It might be a bit tricky to explain here, but I'll do my best. In the properties where it says Skybox BK, meaning back, you'll want to refer to the reference image. Click on the name Skybox BK and add the image named NX. Now do the same for the other skyboxes, like Skybox DW, meaning down. Adjust it the same way as before, but this time change it to NY. Hope you get the idea. I'll speed up this clip. As you can see, the skybox now looks really beautiful and realistic. I'll remove the base plate so you can get a better view. Now, if you want to adjust the position of the sun or moon for better lighting, open the toolbox, switch from Models to Plugins, search for Celestial Body Dragger, and click Install. After installing, open the menu, go to Plugins, and find the Celestial Body Dragger plugin you just installed. You can then choose whether you want to move the sun or the moon. If you want to get rid of the sun or the moon, you can simply delete their texture. Bonus: if you want to change the moon or sun texture, Open the toolbox, change the category to decals, and find your desired texture. Alternatively, you can search for one on Google. Now right-click on the decal, select Copy ID, and then paste it into the appropriate field in the Sky properties. If you want to make your skybox look even better, you can search for a tutorial on YouTube about improving lighting in Roblox Studio. Alternatively, you can simply add a color correction effect in the lighting to enhance the overall appearance. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.